Okay, so the connection here is just as simple as it can be. Just plug this in, and on this side you can locate the PD, which is this cable right here. So I'm doing this with one hand. So you would plug in the PD into that hole there. There you go. And there is no light indicator or anything, and the PD power distribution is provided. The power is coming from my adapter right there. It's an original MacBook adapter, and it's coming in here, going in there. So let's check to see if we have charging indicator, and yep, we do. Power source, power adapter. I happen to be fully charged right now, but this lightning symbol right here, Thunderbolt thing, it shows that it's actually charging. So there is power coming through. And the great thing about the USB-C is that you don't have to bring in full power. You just have to bring in power enough to put some juice in the battery, meaning I'm actually using a MacBook Air power adapter, and I've been using it for many days, and I actually was able to keep my MacBook 16-inch. Is actually M1 Max, and so this is spec'd out usually at about 140 watts, and it's still keeping it charged at all time at 100%, no matter what I'm doing on the laptop itself. Next thing I'm gonna try is to see how difficult it is to get the network going. Okay, so the network just come right up. You don't need to use any right here, the AX88179A. You don't need to use any adapter, extra software driver, whatever that you have to download. Nothing else to install or download. So it's really nice. It just gets recognized. So this is what I call the native support for Mac OS. I've been using this for a couple of days on my actual workbench, and it stays cool, very light, very compact, really nothing to complain about. I wish there's an indicator, or there would be an indicator of some kind of like very small LED if the power distribution is connected. That would be a little bit extra nice, but yeah, for the price of it, at $29.99 plus a 5% coupon, yeah, it's just very unbeatable. It comes with all the features that I would want. I actually mainly bought this because of the USB connection. I need to connect this. I actually daisy chained the hub, so I actually have a USB hub that is on my desk that is already connected to the keyboard and mouse, and it just plugs into here. So I can, because that old hub does not have USB-C, so that hub plugs into here, that connects to all my USB keyboard, mouse, etc. and this one, just so I have only one cable that connects to the MacBook. That was my purpose. This is how I hook up my Utechsmart USB-C hub. The main purpose of having this is basically as a connector piece for my MacBook, because it doesn't have any, this is new MacBook, it doesn't have any USB-A or USB-B type of connection. So I have an existing hub underneath this table that is a USB 2 or USB 3 hub that uses the USB-A, USB-B connector, and that already hooks up to my keyboard, my mouse, other accessories here on the desktop. So it's really beneficial to be able to just hook up this hub right here permanently to daisy chain it to the other hub, so that I can just basically come over here,
and plug in one cable. So I'm going to plug in my existing USB 2 hub to this USB-C hub, and then also provide power delivery permanently by hooking up this cable right here, which is hook up to the power adapter underneath the desk. Also, this is going to go right here to the USB-C connection for power delivery, and I'm gonna try to tuck in all of these underneath my laptop mount here, like so. So now I got the old USB hub and power delivered to the USB-C hub. All I have to do now is just plug in this cable every time I want to sit down and work on my desk, put my laptop down, and then just plug in any one of these Thunderbolt or USB-C connector. And I'm not using actually the MagSafe when I'm sitting on the desktop. And that's it. That one connection there powers my laptop and connects my keyboard and mouse, even monitor if I want to, but I actually use a regular HDMI on this side for my monitor right there. So I don't actually use the monitor part of the USB-C hub because it's only 30 hertz refresh rate, and I would like to have at least 60 hertz refresh rate. That's it. That's how I connect the USB-C to my laptop. All right, well, thank you for watching. Sorry that this became a little bit longer, but I just want to make sure that you guys have all the information about this great hub. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up so that others can discover it. And if you like this kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'm all about DIY, do-it-yourself content, giving tips and tricks for people that has home repair, do-it-yourself, etc. Anyways, I'm rambling. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.